everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about a break and retest strategy. Okay, this is not a video like most break and retest strategies that you will ever find, um, because we use the break and retest strategy in a combination with our supply and demand trading system. All right, this is just a way of adding more positions to a potential winning trade, and this is basically how we are able to trade maybe once a week, and basically have a crazy trade, all right, with a lot of positions added to one single trade instead of trying to trade every single day and looking just for lots of trades and just enter with one single position. Okay, so what we wanted to talk about first is, let's say we have a demand zone, right? And the price comes to our demand zone. Once price starts reacting to our demand zone in this case, right, and we see it's leaving the zone, usually the way price moves away on our smaller time frame, on our entry time frame, not on the analysis time frame, but on our entry time frame, is usually with break and retest patterns. All right, and this is just normal market behavior. Okay, so there is no market that just goes down and just goes up. All right, it's just, this doesn't exist. Even like in crypto bull runs and stuff, you have a very aggressive up move, you have some pullbacks, you have again aggressive up move, you have some pullbacks, you have again aggressive up move and some pullbacks. All right, and this is basically the same thing. So once price is reacting and respecting a certain zone, in this case the demand zone, and this goes the same for supply zones, price tends to have little pullbacks. All right, so what are we doing? We are just looking for the highs to get retested, and for supply zone, supply zone, we are just looking for the lows to get retested. Just the same thing but the opposite. Right, so as you can see, price is reacting to our zone, is making a little pullback. Right, reacting to the zone, making another break or fracture, and we're just waiting for the high to get retested again, then enter. Same thing over and over again, and usually price moves in this particular order. All right, so what are we going to do? We are going to delete all these drawings, and we are actually going to go on a live chart so you can see how the market usually moves in real life. Okay, not just by drawing. So here we have a nice demand zone. Okay, over here you can see that price already reacted a little bit to the zone, so there's a good chance that this zone will play out. What are we doing? We're going on a lower time frame, and we have some nice highs. Okay, so what do? We just mark all the highs. Let me just use my break and retest line. There we go. So we have lots of different highs. Okay, and now the only thing we need to do is we need to just wait and for price to actually make a break and retest. So we have a valid break and retest. We broke the high, we're retesting. All right, bullish pin bar, beautiful. This would be a valid entry. Obviously your stop loss, that you can put whatever you want to. For this trade, let's say our target is the next high, which is this one. Okay, let's see if this loads a bit quicker. Let's go. All right, trading view, there we go. Perfect. All right, so we have this first one. Maybe our stop loss is 15 pips. All right, whatever, this really depends on yourself. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen in this one. We had a valid break and retest. Okay, looks like prices are respecting so far. Okay, our stop loss probably hit at break even, but what do we have? We have another high being retested. All right, so we can enter right here. Stop loss a little bit below, maybe like 20 pips. And our target, what was our target? Our target was 152, 430. 152 to 430, was it? Right? Yes, around here. This was our target. So a nice risk to reward. So what do? We are ready with the next highs. We have another high here so far. All right. So now it's just waiting time and seeing how price will react to all these highs. We have another high. Okay, so far this one. So we just wait, breakout, beautiful, another retest. All right, so what do? We enter on this candle. Stop loss can be 20 pips again. Okay, looks pretty decent. And we are going to use the same target, right? What is our risk reward? 1 to 9.5. All right, perfect. Nice reaction. We're again at break even. Excuse me. We have another high. All right, let's see if we can get another reaction. Okay, didn't close below it, so it closed through it, so we're not looking at that. We have another high. Okay, maybe we got stopped out of break even here again. What can you do? You can enter again. All right, we have another break and retest. Okay, maybe wait for one more candle. We can enter definitely here straight away with our stop loss, maybe like 20 pips again. All right, let's see how this one goes. Okay, maybe we're break even again. Maybe we got stopped out of break even. Let's wait for another clean break and retest. Maybe we're gonna get another retest on this high. Let's see. There we go. Another retest. Stop loss a little bit below. Maybe 15 pips is fine. And our target is going to be the same one. Obviously, guys, keep in mind that we already, would be positioned at the bottom right here. This is just our break and retest strategy video. All right. Beautiful. Now let's see if this high gets retested as well. You have to understand, guys, that the deeper you go into the reaction, there we go, another break and retest, another potential position that you can add here, stop loss a little bit below, target the same. All right, so keep in mind, guys, that the deeper you add positions, the riskier it gets for price to actually, reverse and take our stop loss. But, you should be already at break even. And there we go, another break even. And what do you know? Another break and retest. So valid positions, we're not losing any money. We're just, having some break even trades, which are definitely fine. If they play out, they make us a lot of money, right? Let's see how this one goes. Almost our stop loss got hit. And this one, maybe we got one loss. No worries. Another break and retest, basically. Can you enter here? Yes, you can. Like I said, the deeper we go, the riskier it is for a stop loss to get hit. All right. So we have some nice position. We have two break and retest positions already, nicely to profit with obviously an original first position, which would be right around here. So let's keep going. Let's see how this one goes. Price is slowing down. We're during Asian session as well. So keep in mind, we actually wouldn't even be adding positions here since we're in Asian session. But if you did, you should be at break even already since price already made a nice move into, to the upside. So let's see what happens here. London is opening very soon as well. And London is opening. There we go. Maybe you can still look for break and retest, but to be honest, personally, we wouldn't even be looking for break and retest anymore since we're already that deep into the move. We are already almost 200 pip move already, all right? And we're in it with two break and retest positions and just one original position. So we're in it with three positions, all very nice risk to reward, 1 to 10.5. And this one is, 1 to 10.80. So, we're in some very nice risk to reward. And obviously this one is going to be even a bigger risk to reward here. So, we definitely can't complain. And, some break and retest might still play out, but in the end, there's no need to be that greedy and just risk more profits if we already have a very nice risk to reward. We have three positions in already. We're happy with this. As you can see, we have two positions right here on break and retest plus another position down here. So this is a very, very nice trade. Take profit got hit, as you can see beautifully, and that's just the way we do things. So guys, this is pretty much it for our break and retest strategy. As you can see, we use this together with our supply and demand zones. We just did a demand case. In this scenario, obviously for supply zone, it would be the exact same thing, but it would just be the opposite. So guys, like I said, this is pretty much it. All right, there's not really much more to it. We just basically taught you how we do things, how we use break and recess into our strategy. Okay, yes, you could say this is a strategy on itself. Okay, you could literally look at supply and demand zones and just wait for the price to actually leave the zone and see if it actually gets respected, and then just trade break and retest patterns. This is something you can definitely do, but if you can get positions earlier and at better prices, and then just use the break and retest, to add to your strategy, I think that is pretty um, a pretty good strategy. So, guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about this, just let us know in the comments down below, or send us a DM on Instagram as well. Our Instagram page link is in the description. So yeah, guys, hope you like this. Would appreciate always the sub if you haven't already. Also appreciate the like as always. And if you're looking more for in-depth training, then check our link in our description where you can go to our website, watch our case study, and maybe book a free call with us, and maybe we can help you out with some stuff in your trading journey. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.